begin to the important questions. Today's topic is protozoa. 1. Protozoa are primarily classified under which kingdom in the 5-kingdom classification system? Option A. Monera. Option B. Protista. Option C. Fungi. Option D. Plantae. Correct answer is option B. Protista. Protozoa are unicellular eukaryotic organisms placed under kingdom Protista in Whittaker classification. 2. Which protozoan is known as the causative agent of African sleeping sickness? Option A. Leishmania donovani. Option B. Entamoeba histolytica. Option C. Trypanosoma gumbiens. Option D. Giardia intestinalis. Correct answer is option C. Trypanosoma gumbiens. Trypanosoma gumbiens causes African sleeping sickness and is transmitted by the Tsetse fly. 3. The locomotory organelle of Euglena is? Option A. Cilia. Option B. Pseudopodia. Option C. Flagellum. Option D. Setae. Correct answer is option C. Flagellum. Euglena moves with the help of a flagellum. 4. Which protozoan possesses both plant-like and animal-like characteristics? Option A. Amoeba. Option B. Euglena. Option C. Plasmodium. Option D. Paramecium. Correct answer is option B. Euglena. Euglena contains chloroplasts and can photosynthesize, yet also exhibits animal-like nutrition. 5. The infective stage of Plasmodium for humans is? Option A. Merozoite. Option B. Tryphozoite. Option C. Sporozoite. Option D. Gametocyte. Correct answer is option C. Sporozoite. Sporozoites are injected into humans during the bite of an infected female Anopheles mosquito. 6. Which protozoan disease is characterized by dysentery and ulceration of the intestinal wall? Option A. Malaria. Option B. Kala Azar. Option C. Amoebiasis. Option D. Sleeping sickness. Correct answer is option C. Amoebiasis. Amoebiasis is caused by Entamoeba histolytica. 7. The contractile vacuole in freshwater protozoans primarily functions in? Option A. Digestion. Option B. Reproduction. Option C. Osmoregulation. Option D. Respiration. Correct answer is option C. Osmoregulation. Contractile vacuoles maintain water balance by expelling excess water. 8. Which protozoan reproduces by multiple fission during its life cycle? Option A. Amoeba. Option B. Euglena. Option C. Plasmodium. Option D. Paramecium. Correct answer is option C. Plasmodium. Plasmodium undergoes schizogony, a form of multiple fission. 9. The locomotion of amoeba is achieved by? Option A. Flagella. Option B. Cilia. Option C. Pseudopodia. Option D. Tentacles. Correct answer is option C. Pseudopodia. Amoeba moves and captures food using pseudopodia. 10. Which protozoan is known as the slipper animalcule? Option A. Euglena. Option B. Paramecium. Option C. Amoeba. Option D. Noctiluca. Correct answer is option B. Paramecium. Paramecium is commonly called slipper animalcule because of its shape. 11. Assertion of protozoa are eukaryotic organisms. Reason are they possess a true nucleus enclosed by a nuclear membrane. Option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Option B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation. Option C. A is true but R is false. Option D. A is false but R is true. Correct answer is option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Protozoa are eukaryotic because they possess a membrane-bound nucleus. 12. Which protozoan exhibits nuclear dimorphism? Option A, amoeba. Option B, euglena. Option C, paramecium. Option D, plasmodium. Correct answer is option C, paramecium. Paramecium contains a macronucleus and a micronucleus. 13. In paramecium, sexual reproduction occurs through option A, binary fission. Option B, budding. Option C, conjugation. Option D, fragmentation. Correct answer is option C, conjugation. Conjugation involves exchange of genetic material between two individuals. 14. Which protozoan lacks a contractile vacuole due to its parasitic mode of life? Option A, amoeba. Option B, paramecium. Option C, plasmodium. Option D, euglena. Correct answer is option C, plasmodium. Plasmodium lives in an isotonic environment and lacks contractile vacuoles. 15. The vector of Kala Azar is option A, mosquito. Option B, housefly. Option C, sandfly. Option D, setsfly. Correct answer is option C, sandfly. Kala Azar caused by Leishmania donovani is transmitted by sandflies. 16. Which protozoan causes black fever? Option A, Trypanosoma gumbians. Option B, Leishmania donovani. Option C, Entamoeba histolytica. Option D, Giardia intestinalis. Correct answer is option B, Leishmania donovani. Kala Azar or black fever is caused by Leishmania donovani. 17. The pellicle of euglena provides option A, photosynthesis. Option B, flexibility and protection. Option C, reproduction. Option D, digestion. Correct answer is option B, flexibility and protection. Pellicle gives euglena a flexible but definite shape. 18. Which protozoan is responsible for giardiasis? Option A, Giardia intestinalis. Option B, Plasmodium vivax. Option C, Leishmania tropica. Option D, Amoeba proteus. Correct answer is option A, Giardia intestinalis. Giardiasis is caused by Giardia intestinalis. 19. Which class of protozoa moves primarily by cilia? Option A, Mastigophora. Option B, Sarcodina. Option C, Ciliophora. Option D, Sporozoa. Correct answer is option C, Ciliophora. Members of Ciliophora possess cilia for locomotion. 20. Which protozoan lacks specialized locomotory organelles in the adult stage? Option A, amoeba. Option B, paramecium. Option C, euglena. Option D, plasmodium. Correct answer is option D, plasmodium. Adult sporozoans such as plasmodium lack locomotory organelles. 21. The red pigment spot in euglena is known as option A, stigma. Option B, cytostem. Option C, cytopage. Option D, kinetoplast. Correct answer is option A, stigma. The stigma functions as a photoreceptor. 22. Which protozoan possesses a kinetoplast? Option A, amoeba. Option B, paramecium. Option C, trypanosoma. Option D, plasmodium. Correct answer is option C, trypanosoma. Trypanosoma contains a kinetoplast associated with mitochondrial DNA. 23. The feeding groove of paramecium ultimately leads to option A, cytopage. Option B, cytostem. Option C, macronucleus. Option D, contractile vacuole. Correct answer is option B, cytostem. Food enters through the cytostem or cell mouth. 24. Which protozoan exhibits holozoic nutrition through phagocytosis? Option A, amoeba. Option B, plasmodium. Option C, trypanosoma. Option D, leishmania. Correct answer is option A, amoeba. Amoeba engulfs food particles using pseudopodia. 25. Assertion a plasmodium requires two hosts to complete its life cycle. Reason R. Sexual reproduction occurs in mosquito and asexual reproduction occurs in humans. Option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Option B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation. Option C. A is true but R is false. Option D. A is false but R is true. Correct answer is option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Plasmodium is digenetic and alternates between human and mosquito hosts. 26. Which protozoan is considered a connecting link between plants and animals? Option A, amoeba. Option B, euglena. Option C, plasmodium. Option D, paramecium. Correct answer is option B, euglena. Euglena exhibits characteristics of both kingdoms. 27. The excretory structure of paramecium is mainly Option A, cytostem. Option B, cytopage. Option C, pellicle. Option D, macronucleus. Correct answer is option B, cytopage. Undigested food is expelled through the cytopage. 28. Which stage of plasmodium attacks human red blood cells? Option A, sporozoite. Option B, ookinete. Option C, merozoite. Option D, zygote. Correct answer is option C, merozoite. Merozoites invade red blood cells and continue the erythrocytic cycle. 29. Which protozoan disease commonly produces periodic fever? Option A, amoebiasis. Option B, malaria. Option C, giardiasis. Option D, leishmaniasis. Correct answer is option B, malaria. Periodic fever results from synchronized rupture of infected red blood cells. 30. The dormant resistant stage in many protozoans is called Option A, gamete. Option B, spore. Option C, cyst. Option D, zygote. Correct answer is option C, cyst. Cyst formation helps protozoans survive unfavorable conditions. 31. Which protozoan possesses an undulating membrane? Option A, amoeba. Option B, euglena. Option C, trypanosoma. Option D, paramecium. Correct answer is option C, trypanosoma. Trypanosoma moves using a flagellum attached to an undulating membrane. 32. The process of encystment is primarily associated with Option A, reproduction. Option B, protection against adverse conditions. Option C, photosynthesis. Option D, respiration. Correct answer is option B, protection against adverse conditions. Encystment enables survival under unfavorable environmental conditions. 33. Which protozoan group includes parasitic spore-forming members? Option A, Sarcodina. Option B, Mastigophora. Option C, Sporozoa. Option D, Celiophora. Correct answer is option C, Sporozoa. Sporozoans are parasitic protozoans producing spore-like stages. 34. The largest nucleus of paramecium is called Option A, micronucleus. Option B, macronucleus. Option C, endosome. Option D, karyosome. Correct answer is option B, macronucleus. The macronucleus controls metabolic activities. 35. Which protozoan reproduces mainly by transverse binary fission? Option A. Paramecium. Option B. Euglena. Option C. Amoeba. Option D. Plasmodium. Correct answer is option A. Paramecium. Paramecium divides transversely during asexual reproduction. 36. Assertion: a contractile vacuoles are prominent in freshwater protozoans. Reason: our freshwater environments are hypertonic to the cytoplasm. Option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Option B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation. Option C. A is true but R is false. Option D. A is false but R is true. Correct answer is option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Water continuously enters freshwater protozoans by osmosis and must be expelled. 37. Which protozoan causes cutaneous leishmaniasis? Option A. Leishmania tropica. Option B. Leishmania donovani. Option C. Trypanosoma cruzi. Option D. Giardia intestinalis. Correct answer is option A. Leishmania tropica. Leishmania tropica causes skin lesions known as cutaneous leishmaniasis. 38. The reservoir host of many Trypanosoma species is: Option A. Domestic and wild mammals. Option B. Fish. Option C. Reptiles only. Option D. Amphibians only. Correct answer is option A. Domestic and wild mammals. Many mammals act as reservoir hosts for trypanosomes. 39. Which protozoan possesses chloroplasts? Option A. Amoeba. Option B. Paramecium. Option C. Euglena. Option D. Entamoeba. Correct answer is option C. Euglena. Euglena contains chloroplasts for photosynthesis. 40. The infective form of Entamoeba histolytica is: Option A. Tryphozoite. Option B. Binucleate cyst. Option C. Quadrinucleate cyst. Option D. Gamete. Correct answer is option C. Quadrinucleate cyst. The mature quadrinucleate cyst is the infective stage. 41. Which protozoan is commonly used in studies of ciliary movement? Option A. Paramecium. Option B. Amoeba. Option C. Plasmodium. Option D. Trypanosoma. Correct answer is option A. Paramecium. Paramecium is a classic model organism for studying cilia. 42. Which structure coordinates ciliary beating in Paramecium? Option A. Kiintosome. Option B. Cytopege. Option C. Pellicle. Option D. Trichocyst. Correct answer is option A. Kiintosome. Kiintosomes function as basal bodies of cilia. 43. Trichocysts in Paramecium mainly function in: Option A. Photosynthesis. Option B. Defense. Option C. Digestion. Option D. Respiration. Correct answer is option B. Defense. Trichocysts can discharge thread-like structures for protection. 44. Which protozoan disease is transmitted by contaminated food and water? Option A. Sleeping sickness. Option B. Amoebiasis. Option C. Kala Azar. Option D. Chagas disease. Correct answer is option B. Amoebiasis. Amoebiasis spreads through ingestion of cysts in contaminated food or water. 45. Which protozoan exhibits mixotrophic nutrition? Option A. Euglena. Option B. Plasmodium. Option C. Entamoeba. Option D. Trypanosoma. Correct answer is option A. Euglena. Euglena can photosynthesize and also feed heterotrophically. 46. Which organelle is absent in mature human red blood cells but utilized by Plasmodium during infection? Option A. Mitochondria. Option B. Nucleus. Option C. Ribosome. Option D. Cell wall. Correct answer is option B. Nucleus. Human red blood cells lack a nucleus, making Plasmodium dependent on host resources. 47. Assertion a protozoa occupy diverse habitats. Reason are they are capable of parasitic, free-living, and symbiotic modes of life. Option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Option B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation. Option C. A is true but R is false. Option D. A is false but R is true. Correct answer is option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Protozoa exhibit remarkable ecological diversity. 48. Which protozoan is commonly found in the rumen of cattle as a symbiont? Option A. Balantidium. Option B. Diplodinium. Option C. Plasmodium. Option D. Trypanosoma. Correct answer is option B. Diplodinium. Diplodinium is a ciliate protozoan living symbiotically in the rumen. 49. The only ciliated protozoan pathogenic to humans is Option A. Balantidium coli. Option B. Entamoeba histolytica. Option C. Giardia intestinalis. Option D. Leishmania donovani. Correct answer is option A. Balantidium coli. Balantidium coli causes balantidial dysentery. 50. Which feature best distinguishes protozoa from prokaryotic microorganisms? Option A. Unicellular organization. Option B. Microscopic size. Option C. Presence of membrane-bound organelles. Option D. Aquatic habitat. Correct answer is option C. Presence of membrane-bound organelles. Protozoa are eukaryotic and possess membrane-bound organelles absent in prokaryotes. 51. Euglena belongs to which major group of protists? Option A. Ciliates. Option B. Flagellates. Option C. Sporozoans. Option D. Sarcodines. Correct answer is option B. Flagellates. Euglena is classified among the flagellated protists because locomotion occurs mainly through a flagellum. 52. Which feature makes Euglena unique among many protozoans? Option A. Presence of pseudopodia. Option B. Presence of chloroplasts. Option C. Presence of cilia. Option D. Absence of nucleus. Correct answer is option B. Presence of chloroplasts. Euglena possesses chloroplasts and can perform photosynthesis. 53. The outer covering of Euglena is called Option A. Cell wall. Option B. Cuticle. Option C. Pellicle. Option D. Test. Correct answer is option C. Pellicle. A flexible pellicle replaces the rigid cell wall. 54. The principal locomotory organ of Euglena is Option A. Cilium. Option B. Flagellum. Option C. Pseudopodium. Option D. Trichocyst. Correct answer is option B. Flagellum. Euglena moves primarily by means of a flagellum. 55. The reserve food material in Euglena is Option A. Glycogen. Option B. Starch. Option C. Paramylin. Option D. Cellulose. Correct answer is option C. Paramylin. Paramylin is the characteristic reserve food substance of Euglena. 56. The red pigmented eye spot of Euglena is known as Option A. Kinetoplast. Option B. Stigma. Option C. Cytostem. Option D. Cytopage. Correct answer is option B, stigma. The eye spot or stigma helps the organism respond to light. 57. Which process allows euglena to synthesize food in sunlight? Option A, absorption. Option B, holozoic feeding. Option C, photosynthesis. Option D, pinocytosis. Correct answer is option C, photosynthesis. Chloroplasts enable photosynthesis in the presence of light. 58. Assertion A. Euglena is called mixotrophic. Reason R. It can obtain nutrition both autotrophically and heterotrophically. Option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Option B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation. Option C. A is true but R is false. Option D. A is false but R is true. Correct answer is option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Euglena can photosynthesize as well as absorb dissolved organic matter. 59. Which structure of euglena is mainly responsible for osmoregulation? Option A. Chloroplast. Option B. Nucleus. Option C. Contractile vacuole. Option D. Paramylin body. Correct answer is option C. Contractile vacuole. The contractile vacuole removes excess water from the cell. 60. The flagellum of euglena arises from the. Option A. Cytostem. Option B. Reservoir. Option C. Nucleus. Option D. Cytoplasm. Correct answer is option B. Reservoir. The flagellum originates from the reservoir region. 61. Which pigment is mainly responsible for the green color of euglena? Option A. Melanin. Option B. Carotene. Option C. Chlorophyll. Option D. Xanthophyll. Correct answer is option C. Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll present in chloroplasts imparts the green color. 62. Euglena reproduces asexually by. Option A. Multiple fission. Option B. Budding. Option C. Longitudinal binary fission. Option D. Conjugation. Correct answer is option C. Longitudinal binary fission. Longitudinal binary fission is the common mode of reproduction. 63. Which organelle contains the genetic material of euglena? Option A. Nucleus. Option B. Chloroplast. Option C. Contractile vacuole. Option D. Reservoir. Correct answer is option A. Nucleus. The nucleus contains chromosomes and genetic information. 64. The eye spot of euglena helps in. Option A. Digestion. Option B. Light detection. Option C. Respiration. Option D. Excretion. Correct answer is option B. Light detection. The eye spot enables orientation toward light. 65. Euglena is generally found in. Option A. Dry desert soil. Option B. Freshwater ponds. Option C. Deep ocean trenches. Option D. Polar ice. Correct answer is option B. Freshwater ponds. Euglena commonly inhabits freshwater environments. 66. Which structure is absent in euglena? Option A. Nucleus. Option B. Chloroplast. Option C. Cell wall. Option D. Flagellum. Correct answer is option C. Cell wall. Euglena lacks a rigid cellulose cell wall. 67. Positive phototaxis refers to. Option A. Movement away from light. Option B. Movement toward light. Option C. Movement away from gravity. Option D. Movement toward chemicals. Correct answer is option B. Movement toward light. Positive phototaxis means movement toward a light source. 68. Which cellular structure maintains the shape of euglena? Option A. Cell wall. Option B. Pellicle. Option C. Nucleolus. Option D. Reservoir. Correct answer is option B. Pellicle. The pellicle provides shape and flexibility. 69. Assertion A. Euglena can survive in darkness. Reason R. It can switch to heterotrophic nutrition when light is unavailable. Option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Option B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation. Option C. A is true but R is false. Option D. A is false but R is true. Correct answer is option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. In darkness, euglena can absorb dissolved organic nutrients. 70. The chloroplasts of euglena contain. Option A. Chlorophyll A and B. Option B. Chlorophyll C only. Option C. Phycobilins only. Option D. No pigments. Correct answer is option A. Chlorophyll A and B. Euglena contains chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B similar to green plants. 71. Which structure serves as a storage chamber for excess water? Option A. Reservoir. Option B. Pellicle. Option C. Nucleus. Option D. Stigma. Correct answer is option A. Reservoir. The reservoir receives water discharged by the contractile vacuole. 72. The body form of euglena is generally. Option A. Cuboidal. Option B. Spherical. Option C. Spindle-shaped. Option D. Branched. Correct answer is option C. Spindle-shaped. Euglena typically possesses a spindle-shaped body. 73. Which kingdom includes euglena in Whittaker classification? Option A. Plantae. Option B. Animalia. Option C. Protista. Option D. Monera. Correct answer is option C. Protista. Euglena is classified under kingdom Protista. 74. The flexible movement of euglena produced by body contractions is called. Option A. Amoeboid movement. Option B. Euglenoid movement. Option C. Ciliary movement. Option D. Muscular movement. Correct answer is option B. Euglenoid movement. Euglenoid movement is a characteristic feature of euglena. 75. Which adaptation allows euglena to detect the direction of light? Option A. Paramylin body. Option B. Eyespot and photoreceptor. Option C. Contractile vacuole. Option D. Pellicle. Correct answer is option B. Eyespot and photoreceptor. The eyespot works with a photoreceptor to sense light direction. 76. Which feature of euglena provides the strongest evidence of its plant-like nature? Option A. Flagellum. Option B. Pellicle. Option C. Chloroplasts. Option D. Contractile vacuole. Correct answer is option C. Chloroplasts. The presence of chloroplasts enables photosynthesis and reflects plant-like characteristics. 77. Which feature of euglena provides the strongest evidence of its animal-like nature? Option A. Presence of chlorophyll. Option B. Heterotrophic nutrition. Option C. Photosynthesis. Option D. Paramylin synthesis. Correct answer is option B. Heterotrophic nutrition. Euglena can absorb organic nutrients and exhibit heterotrophic nutrition. 78. The contractile vacuole of euglena is most active when the organism lives in. Option A. Marine water. Option B. Freshwater. Option C. Dry soil. Option D. Host tissues. Correct answer is option B. Freshwater. Freshwater conditions cause continuous water entry by osmosis. 79. Assertion A. Euglena lacks a cellulose cell wall. Reason R. The pellicle allows flexibility in euglenoid movement. Option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Option B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation. Option C. A is true but R is false. Option D. A is false but R is true. Correct answer is option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. A rigid cell wall would restrict the flexibility needed for euglenoid movement. 80. The reserve food paramylin is chemically most similar to Option A. Protein. Option B. Polysaccharide. Option C. Lipid. Option D. Nucleic acid. Correct answer is option B. Polysaccharide. Paramylin is a carbohydrate reserve and belongs to polysaccharides. 81. The photoreceptor associated with the eye spot is primarily involved in Option A. Detecting water currents. Option B. Detecting light intensity. Option C. Detecting food particles. Option D. Detecting temperature. Correct answer is option B. Detecting light intensity. The photoreceptor senses light and helps orient the organism. 82. Which process contributes directly to genetic continuity in euglena? Option A. Photosynthesis. Option B. Binary fission. Option C. Osmoregulation. Option D. Phototaxis. Correct answer is option B. Binary fission. Binary fission ensures transmission of genetic material to daughter cells. 83. The anterior end of euglena is characterized by the presence of Option A. Multiple cilia. Option B. Reservoir and flagellum. Option C. Pseudopodia. Option D. Spicules. Correct answer is option B. Reservoir and flagellum. The reservoir and flagellum are located at the anterior end. 84. Which statement correctly describes the nucleus of euglena? Option A. It is absent. Option B. It is membrane bound. Option C. It lies outside the cytoplasm. Option D. It contains no chromosomes. Correct answer is option B. It is membrane bound. Euglena is eukaryotic and possesses a membrane bound nucleus. 85. Which adaptation allows euglena to survive periods of environmental stress? Option A. Formation of cysts. Option B. Formation of spores. Option C. Budding. Option D. Conjugation. Correct answer is option A. Formation of cysts. Encystment helps euglena survive unfavorable conditions. 86. Assertion A. Euglena is considered a eukaryotic organism. Reason R. It possesses membrane-bound organelles. Option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Option B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation. Option C. A is true but R is false. Option D. A is false but R is true. Correct answer is option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. The presence of membrane-bound organelles is a defining feature of eukaryotes. 87. Which component directly carries out photosynthesis in euglena? Option A. Nucleus. Option B. Chloroplast. Option C. Pellicle. Option D. Contractile vacuole. Correct answer is option B. Chloroplast. Photosynthesis occurs within chloroplasts. 88. The flexibility of euglena is mainly due to Option A. Cellulose wall. Option B. Silica covering. Option C. Pellicle strips. Option D. Spongian fibers. Correct answer is option C. Pellicle strips. Pellicle strips permit flexibility while maintaining body shape. 89. Which of the following would most likely reduce photosynthesis in Euglena? Option A. Increased light. Option B. Absence of chloroplasts. Option C. Presence of water. Option D. Presence of a nucleus. Correct answer is option B. Absence of chloroplasts. Chloroplasts are essential for photosynthesis. 90. The movement of Euglena toward favorable light conditions improves. Option A. Excretion. Option B. Photosynthetic efficiency. Option C. Binary fission. Option D. Encystment. Correct answer is option B. Photosynthetic efficiency. Movement toward light maximizes photosynthetic activity. 91. Which cellular process allows Euglena to increase in number rapidly under favorable conditions? Option A. Conjugation. Option B. Longitudinal binary fission. Option C. Encystment. Option D. Regeneration. Correct answer is option B. Longitudinal binary fission. Longitudinal binary fission is the chief reproductive mechanism. 92. The reservoir of Euglena serves as a common chamber for Option A. Flagellum and contractile vacuole. Option B. Nucleus and chloroplast. Option C. Pellicle and stigma. Option D. Paramelin and chloroplast. Correct answer is option A. Flagellum and contractile vacuole. The flagellum arises from the reservoir and excess water is discharged into it. 93. Which characteristic distinguishes Euglena from typical plant cells? Option A. Presence of chlorophyll. Option B. Presence of chloroplasts. Option C. Absence of cellulose cell wall. Option D. Presence of cytoplasm. Correct answer is option C. Absence of cellulose cell wall. Most plant cells possess a cellulose wall whereas Euglena has a pellicle. 94. Assertion A. Euglena is capable of both autotrophic and heterotrophic nutrition. Reason R. It contains chloroplasts and can absorb dissolved organic matter. Option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Option B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation. Option C. A is true but R is false. Option D. A is false but R is true. Correct answer is option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. The dual nutritional ability makes Euglena mixotrophic. 95. Which organelle of Euglena is directly involved in maintaining water balance? Option A. Nucleus. Option B. Contractile vacuole. Option C. Chloroplast. Option D. Eye spot. Correct answer is option B. Contractile vacuole. The contractile vacuole expels excess water from the cell. 96. The eye spot pigment of Euglena is mainly composed of Option A. Carotenoids. Option B. Melanin. Option C. Anthocyanins. Option D. Hemoglobin. Correct answer is option A. Carotenoids. Carotenoid pigments contribute to the reddish color of the eye spot. 97. Which structure is primarily responsible for propulsion in Euglena? Option A. Reservoir. Option B. Flagellum. Option C. Nucleus. Option D. Contractile vacuole. Correct answer is option B. Flagellum. The beating flagellum propels the organism through water. 98. Which environmental factor most directly influences phototactic behavior in Euglena? Option A. Salinity. Option B. Temperature. Option C. Light. Option D. Pressure. Correct answer is option C. Light. Phototaxis is a response to light stimuli. 99. The ability of Euglena to exhibit both plant-like and animal-like features is an example of Option A. Evolutionary specialization. Option B. Physiological versatility. Option C. Tissue differentiation. Option D. Colonial organization. Correct answer is option B. Physiological versatility. Euglena shows physiological versatility through its dual mode of nutrition. 100. Which characteristic best explains why Euglena is regarded as a connecting link between plants and animals? Option A. It is multicellular. Option B. It possesses chloroplasts and heterotrophic capability. Option C. It lacks a nucleus. Option D. It reproduces sexually. Correct answer is option B. It possesses chloroplasts and heterotrophic capability. The combination of photosynthetic and heterotrophic abilities links plant-like and animal-like traits. 101. Paramecium belongs to which class of protozoans? Option A. Mastigophora. Option B. Sarcodina. Option C. Ciliata. Option D. Sporozoa. Correct answer is option C. Ciliata. Paramecium is a ciliate protozoan and belongs to class Ciliata. 102. The body of Paramecium is covered externally by Option A. Flagella. Option B. Cilia. Option C. Pseudopodia. Option D. Setae. Correct answer is option B. Cilia. Numerous cilia cover the body and aid in locomotion and feeding. 103. The characteristic shape of Paramecium is best described as Option A. Spherical. Option B. Amoeboid. Option C. Slipper-shaped. Option D. Cylindrical. Correct answer is option C. Slipper-shaped. Paramecium is commonly known as the slipper animalcule because of its shape. 104. Which structure serves as the cell mouth in Paramecium? Option A. Cytopage. Option B. Cytostom. Option C. Macronucleus. Option D. Trichocyst. Correct answer is option B. Cytostom. Food enters the body through the cytostom. 105. The food vacuoles in Paramecium are formed at the Option A. Cytopage. Option B. Pellicle. Option C. Cytopharynx. Option D. Contractile vacuole. Correct answer is option C. Cytopharynx. Food vacuoles originate near the cytopharynx. 106. Which nucleus controls metabolic and vegetative functions in Paramecium? Option A. Micronucleus. Option B. Macronucleus. Option C. Nucleolus. Option D. Choriosome. Correct answer is option B. Macronucleus. The macronucleus regulates day-to-day cellular activities. 107. The primary function of the micronucleus is Option A. Digestion. Option B. Osmoregulation. Option C. Reproduction and heredity. Option D. Locomotion. Correct answer is option C. Reproduction and heredity. The micronucleus plays an important role in sexual processes and genetic continuity. 108. Assertion A Paramecium exhibits nuclear dimorphism. Reason R. It contains both macronucleus and micronucleus. Option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Option B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation. Option C. A is true but R is false. Option D. A is false but R is true. Correct answer is option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Nuclear dimorphism refers to the presence of two functionally different nuclei. 109. The contractile vacuoles of Paramecium are mainly concerned with Option A. Digestion. Option B. reproduction. Option C, osmoregulation. Option D, respiration. Correct answer is option C, osmoregulation. Contractile vacuoles remove excess water from the cell. 110. How many contractile vacuoles are typically present in Paramecium caudatum? Option A, 1. Option B, 2. Option C, 4. Option D, 8. Correct answer is option B, 2. Paramecium generally possesses 2 contractile vacuoles. 111. Which organelles surround the contractile vacuoles? Option A, radial canals. Option B, chloroplasts. Option C, trichocysts. Option D, food vacuoles. Correct answer is option A, radial canals. Radial canals collect excess water and channel it into the contractile vacuole. 112. The locomotion of Paramecium is produced by Option A, coordinated ciliary beating. Option B, flagellar movement. Option C, pseudopodial flow. Option D, muscular contractions. Correct answer is option A, coordinated ciliary beating. Thousands of cilia beat in coordination to produce movement. 113. Which structure acts as a defensive organelle in Paramecium? Option A, cytostom. Option B, trichocyst. Option C, cytopharynx. Option D, macronucleus. Correct answer is option B, trichocyst. Trichocysts discharge thread-like structures for protection. 114. The process by which Paramecium exchanges genetic material without increasing its number is called Option A, binary fission. Option B, budding. Option C, conjugation. Option D, encystment. Correct answer is option C, conjugation. Conjugation is a sexual phenomenon involving exchange of micronuclear material. 115. Which type of reproduction is most common in Paramecium under favorable conditions? Option A, conjugation. Option B, binary fission. Option C, multiple fission. Option D, sporulation. Correct answer is option B, binary fission. Paramecium reproduces asexually by transverse binary fission. 116. During binary fission, the division plane in Paramecium is Option A, longitudinal. Option B, oblique. Option C, transverse. Option D, spiral. Correct answer is option C, transverse. Binary fission occurs transversely across the body. 117. Assertion: a conjugation increases genetic variation. Reason: R micronuclei exchange hereditary material between conjugates. Option A, both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Option B, both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation. Option C, A is true but R is false. Option D, A is false but R is true. Correct answer is option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Exchange of micronuclear material produces genetic recombination. 118. The permanent anal pore of Paramecium is called Option A, cytostom. Option B, cytopage. Option C, cytopharynx. Option D, vestibule. Correct answer is option B, cytopage. Undigested food is eliminated through the cytopage. 119. Which structure guides food particles toward the oral groove? Option A, trichocysts. Option B, oral cilia. Option C, macronucleus. Option D, micronucleus. Correct answer is option B, oral cilia. Oral cilia create water currents directing food into the mouth. 120. The oral groove of paramecium is located. Option A, dorsally. Option B, ventrolaterally. Option C, terminally. Option D, centrally. Correct answer is option B, ventrolaterally. The oral groove is situated on the ventrolateral surface. 121. Which process is responsible for intracellular digestion in paramecium? Option A, digestion inside food vacuoles. Option B, digestion in cytostom. Option C, digestion in oral groove. Option D, digestion in contractile vacuoles. Correct answer is option A, digestion inside food vacuoles. Food vacuoles contain digestive enzymes and serve as sites of digestion. 122. The pellicle of paramecium primarily functions in Option A, food storage. Option B, shape maintenance and protection. Option C, reproduction. Option D, osmoregulation. Correct answer is option B, shape maintenance and protection. The pellicle provides support while remaining flexible. 123. Which statement regarding trichocysts is correct? Option A, they aid in photosynthesis. Option B, they function in defense and anchorage. Option C, they store reserve food. Option D, they control reproduction. Correct answer is option B, they function in defense and anchorage. Trichocysts are defensive organelles capable of rapid discharge. 124. The coordinated beating of cilia in wave-like succession is known as Option A, metachronal rhythm. Option B, cyclosis. Option C, peristalsis. Option D, amoeboid flow. Correct answer is option A, metachronal rhythm. Metachronal rhythm ensures efficient locomotion. 125. Which environmental condition commonly stimulates conjugation in paramecium? Option A, abundant food supply. Option B, favorable growth conditions. Option C, physiological stress. Option D, high oxygen concentration. Correct answer is option C, physiological stress. Conjugation is often triggered by unfavorable conditions. 126. A student observed that after a prolonged period of unfavorable environmental conditions, two paramecium individuals temporarily united and exchanged genetic material without producing an immediate increase in population size. Which biological significance is most accurately associated with this phenomenon? Option A, rapid multiplication of individuals. Option B, genetic recombination and rejuvenation. Option C, formation of resistant spores. Option D, elimination of micronuclei. Correct answer is option B, genetic recombination and rejuvenation. Conjugation promotes genetic recombination and physiological rejuvenation rather than immediate multiplication. 127. Which statement best explains why paramecium is considered more advanced than amoeba in terms of cellular organization? Option A, presence of a plasma membrane. Option B, presence of specialized organelles performing distinct functions. Option C, ability to reproduce asexually. Option D, ability to ingest food particles. Correct answer is option B, presence of specialized organelles performing distinct functions. Paramecium exhibits a higher degree of cellular specialization than amoeba. 128. Assertion that the macronucleus degenerates during conjugation in paramecium. Reason are the micronucleus is responsible for hereditary continuity in genetic exchange. Option A, both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Option B, both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation. Option C, A is true but R is false. Option D, A is false but R is true. Correct answer is option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. The macronucleus degenerates while micronuclear material participates in conjugation. 129. If all cilia on the surface of a paramecium suddenly became non-functional, which process would be affected most immediately? Option A. Genetic recombination. Option B. Locomotion and food capture. Option C. Macronuclear division. Option D. Contractile vacuole discharge. Correct answer is option B. Locomotion and food capture. Cilia are directly responsible for movement and feeding currents. 130. The coordinated activity of oral cilia creates water currents that primarily assist in Option A. Excretion. Option B. Reproduction. Option C. Food collection. Option D. Nuclear division. Correct answer is option C. Food collection. Oral cilia direct food particles toward the cytostom. 131. Which of the following structures would most likely be absent in a mutant paramecium incapable of defensive discharge mechanisms? Option A. Trichocysts. Option B. Micronucleus. Option C. Cytostom. Option D. Contractile vacuole.